Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, April 6th, 2021, and the U.S. stock market is closed. We had a mixture of horrible and fantastic today. Uh, my emotions are a little threadbare. Uh, you're looking here at the Dow. It's oftentimes happens. We ended better today because of a negative Dow rather than a positive one. The Dow opened lower, tried to go positive, first hour or so failed, and ended up closing down 96 points today. We had a horrible open this morning, just terrible. We had $21,000 positive in open trade equity yesterday on the close, and we ended up closing that out with $77,000 negative, which means we saw an equity drop of over $28,000 today from where we were yesterday on the close. And what was really disturbing to me is we didn't lose that overnight. 30 minutes, in the pre-market, 30 minutes before the open, we had all those profits. In fact, I think we even had some extra above what we had yesterday. But it just was like popping a balloon this morning after the stocks open. And as I say, we ended up with a $28,000 drop within the first 45 minutes of the trading day. That is just sickening, and I was just so disgusted I couldn't watch it anymore. And then stuff started happening, and believe it or not, we came pretty close to making that back up today. We got into only 7 positions, only 3 positive, 4 negative, but we are carrying $26,000 in positive open trade equity going in tomorrow. So that's just unbelievable. But we had $21,000 on Thursday that went. No, excuse me, not Thursday. On Monday, yesterday, we had 21,000, and that went negative. So I sure hope this 26,000 that we're carrying on the close today doesn't go negative to tomorrow. Now that is a natural fear of everybody, but I'm going to tell you, this is no technical analysis. This is my experience. Stock prices tend not to do the same pattern back-to-back days, and so what could very possibly happen tomorrow is that we end up getting more than that $26,000 when we close out, as opposed to what happened this morning. The opposite may tend to happen. That would be where my money would be in prediction, but of course, prediction doesn't mean anything. What I do and what you should do is just trade the system. We'll see what happens. Okay, I got 2 stocks I want to show you. This first one is EYES, EYES. That is Second Sight Medical Products. And this thing was just going along this morning. Looks about third hours. Something happened. It took off. We grabbed it. And it kept going. I think up here is pretty close to $12,000 we're up on this thing. Did pull back have to endure those pullbacks sometime, but we're still holding $6,800 in Second Sight Medical Products. Really looks like a real good trade. And then this is the one I loved. This is getting back to our old style of trading, getting these outliers. This is RMO, which is Romeo Power Incorporated. This thing popped up this morning. We bought it first 45 minutes of the day, and it just kept screaming all day long. And from the moment I was looking at the chart on this, from the time we got in, this was just doing that dancing I keep talking about. When I see that dancing on the chart, it means very high volume and something big is going to happen. Well, something big did happen where this thing closed. This thing moved from about $8 to $13 today, and we are up over $22,000 in open trade with Romeo Power. So that is just fantastic. So I see this, this really took the edge off my disappointment with that open, because this is the kind of stuff that we really make our money in. These big outlier trades. Love it. Be interested to see what happens in the aftermarket and the pre-market tomorrow with these. Let's hope this holds. I can't handle another reversal. Anyway, Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Wednesday.